Hi everyone, I'm Swapna. Let's see another question on classic versus lightning. The scenario is there is a company who are using the classic Salesforce Classic and with the many custom visual force pages. Now they wanted to migrate to lightning experience. Now this time the question is what are the key steps and consideration for this migration? So we will see the answers for both of them, how to answer, because here they are expecting the key steps when we are migrating it. Is there any prior or post that we need to perform anything? You?